Surviving by any means necessary. That's how residents of one Westmoreland community have been living as they try to put the pieces of their broken lives back together following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell has their story.
Among the rubble left in Hurricane Melissa's wake, residents of Belmont in Bluefields, Westmoreland are rebuilding and not necessarily with their own belongings.
It took off this door, so when we go, we do go looking for, where we can find. I find it's adjustable because every night I would have to put back a ply here. I have to still put back up. This one is not mine also, so I just have to just nail it up from inside, just to rest my head here.
But with more items than bed space to sleep, Everton Myrie explains that rest has not been easy.
Here in the night, we stay like under the moonlight, like we stay like after 7, after 8. By 10 o'clock we feel sleepy, we just come in and sleep. By 6 o'clock we get up again. Because, it's not really comfortable to really like sleep, have a good rest.
As each passing day brings new finds among the rubble, residents find themselves in a never-ending cycle of wash, rinse, dry, repeat.
All these things out here, we walk and pick them up outside, all of these. We just put them in the sun to dry, so they need to go, we still need to get them washed.
From a section of the community, residents point to a spot where they say Melissa made landfall, forcing up to 16 persons into hiding inside this concrete house, as one by one their houses were flattened. Board houses didn't stand a chance, and now any unfinished concrete structure in the community is fair game for persons suddenly left homeless. But
everybody is trying to build a little something, so if the owners, they come for their concrete house, you can get out of it and go back in the little something where you build.
And in true Jamaican fashion, they find light moments in the pain.
Laughing about how small things people hold on to stay alive. Okay. I have a cousin who put his head into a paper barrel and the whole of her house lift and gone, and she's in the paper barrel on the floor.
No laughing matter though for an almost 70-year-old man who's said to be taking his loss to heart.
His house completely fall apart almost on him. So he was just able to reach underneath the house bottom.
And how is he now? Where is he staying now?
I think this storm had traumatized him so much that it seems as if his mind kind of, going. I hear that he's at the next community in Brighton because he was living there one time, so he drift back there. And I hear that he built up a little something and sleeping in it.
Despite the losses, residents say things are getting a little better.
And the love of Jamaican people no make we hungry from the storm blow. Every day somebody from St. Catherine, Kingston, all walks of life they come from to give us water and food.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.